right now what we've got is a base map that is some OpenStreetMap data, an aerial photo, and a few features that we've drawn in from the aerial photo. And the next thing to do is to prepare some sort of base map for taking out into the field. You really can't get a good map without going out and looking in the real world at what you're mapping. So the easiest way to do that, I'm going to show you how to print out a base map in an appropriate scale. We're going to want to have magnetic north lines shown. You'll recall that the map is oriented to magnetic north, and this grid pattern is oriented to magnetic north. Now we want to print out the area that we're going to use, and it works just like any Windows printing option. You're going to want to select the area that you want to print. Do a let's make the resolution, it doesn't need to be that detailed. We're going to print to a different scale, something that'll make it a little easier, give you a little more space to draw features. You can select the print scale there. You can drag the box and size it the way you want it. We're going to use letter size paper, use landscape. That's more area than we need, but let's just use that. We want to show the grid on our map, and we want to show the templates. Then when you hit the print button, it will print the map out to your printer. You can then take that map out in the field, out in this case out to the park, and begin to make notes about changes that need to be made. I'm not really going to talk about that in this. Field checking is really a second aspect. But you can imagine that for a very simple map like this, field checking is also very simple. Going out, making sure the features are still there, seeing if there are any new features you need to add. If there are, sketching them in. You can also use a GPS if you've got one and keep track of where you are. One of the nice features of Open Orienteering Mapper is that you can easily import a GPX file, which is a sort of file that's pretty typically output of a GPS tracker.